Did you know that tomatoes, despite being a staple in most kitchens around the world, are actually a fruit and not a vegetable? This versatile, juicy, and delicious fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients, flavor, and culinary possibilities. In the world of cooking, tomatoes are the unsung heroes, adding depth, color, and tanginess to a wide variety of dishes. From sauces to salads, soups to stews, pizzas to pastas, tomatoes are everywhere. But are you getting the most out of this culinary superstar? Today we're going to explore 10 incredible recipes that showcase the versatility and flavor of tomatoes. First on the list is a classic tomato soup. A comforting bowl of tomato soup is like a warm hug on a chilly day. Remember to sweat your onions and garlic first to release their flavors before adding the tomatoes. A touch of cream at the end can add a luxurious finish to your soup. Next, we have a robust tomato sauce. This is a staple in many kitchens and forms the base of countless recipes. To get a richer flavor, try roasting your tomatoes before pureeing them. It adds a sweet, smoky depth to your sauce that's simply irresistible. Third, let's talk about tomato salsa. This vibrant, spicy, and tangy condiment is perfect for chips, tacos, or even as a topping for grilled meats. Use a mix of ripe and semi-ripe tomatoes for a balance of sweetness and tartness. And don't forget the cilantro. Moving on, we have stuffed tomatoes. Hollow out ripe tomatoes and fill them with a mixture of rice, herbs, and cheese. Then bake until soft and melty. The key here is to choose large, firm tomatoes that can hold their shape while baking. Fifth, a tomato and mozzarella salad, also known as caprese salad. This Italian classic combines ripe tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's simple, fresh, and incredibly delicious. Next, we have tomato chutney, a spicy and tangy condiment that's perfect with grilled meats or as a dipping sauce. The secret to a good chutney is patience. Let it simmer slowly to allow the flavors to meld together. Seventh, a tomato and basil bruschetta. This Italian classic is all about fresh, quality ingredients. Use the ripest tomatoes you can find and don't skimp on the basil. Next up, we have a tomato and feta pasta. Roast cherry tomatoes with olive oil, garlic, and feta cheese, then toss with cooked pasta and fresh basil. It's a one-pan wonder that's sure to impress. Ninth, a tomato and cucumber gazpacho. This cold Spanish soup is refreshing, healthy, and packed with flavor. Remember to chill it in the fridge for a few hours before serving to let the flavors meld together. Finally, we have a tomato tart. Flaky pastry, ripe tomatoes, and melted cheese make this a perfect appetizer or light lunch. So there you have it. 10 incredible recipes that showcase the versatility and flavor of tomatoes. Each of these recipes is a testament to the culinary magic that tomatoes can bring to your dishes. Try them out and discover a new appreciation for this humble fruit. And remember, cooking is all about experimentation. Feel free to tweak these recipes to suit your taste, and don't be afraid to try something new. After all, the kitchen is your playground. Happy cooking, and don't forget to share your culinary adventures.